Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the homepage for your Steam overlay web browser. For example, if you're running a game via Steam and you're in-game and you open up the overlay and now you would like to browse the internet, for example, through the overlay, so without leaving the game actually. This is how you can do it, guys. Launch the Steam application, navigate to Steam in the top left and select Settings. And from there, what you want to do is navigate to the in-game section here on the left panel. And from there, what you want to do is click into the current default web browser homepage, which is, I assume, google.com, but you can simply enter any other homepage you like here, like, I don't know, Yahoo or something. Yeah, Google or Google not, and that's basically it. And after that, simply enter the correct URL address here, and that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.